Imagine every sound you hear is for a reason and to control you. The sound of control isn't silence. It's everywhere. And most people never notice. The people behind the curtain, the people that really control everything on planet Earth, control the politicians, control everything. They use one technique more than ever to control you. Imagine every sound you hear is for a reason and to control you. What most people can't grasp is the people behind the curtain who pull the strings on everything on planet Earth use a variety of methods to control the masses. Remember, the elites are a very small group of people. It's a cabal. It's a group of people, these privileged, superior in their own mind people who believe they're better than everyone else, use techniques to control the masses.